just survived a Category 5 hurricane. The roof is gone. Your house is buried in mud up to your waist. You've lost almost everything. And there's no signal, not from your cell phone, no road, no comfort of a familiar voice on the television. In that moment, your credit score doesn't matter. What matters is your will to live, your faith, and your strength to start again. The next 6 weeks will test everything inside you. You'll wake up every morning wondering how to rebuild from scratch, where to sleep, how to find clean water, how to get help when systems are down. But you will rise, because what truly carries you through isn't money, power, or a perfect credit report. It's community, resourcefulness, and the belief that this isn't where your story ends. Then, when the roads reopen, when communication returns, when help finally reaches, your credit score becomes your recovery tool. It's what helps you access loans, rebuild your home, and restart your business. So no, your credit score doesn't matter when you're standing in the mud. But your mindset, your hope, your network do. When it's time to rebuild, your credit can help you climb again.